So I just created the automation for both content creation and email campaigning. So I will show you one by one. So first, let's start with the content creation. So we have, both the Canva automation, video script automation, blog generation, social media automation, everything. So when it comes to blog generator, so you can simply give any topic you want. So I'm giving some random topic, and you can just add the topic here. You can give, if you need more detailing, you can give here. But still, we are doing Google search for getting content and all. So after, you can add multiple topics. And so this is the trigger button. You can just trigger this, okay? So you can maybe, add 5 or 10 topic and click everything, and just, there is a workflow for that. So that you get here, blog generator. So this is the entire workflow for blog generation. We are doing Google research. So based on the keywords, we will get the relevant news, data, everything. And when I run this, you can see that the automation is started. Just maybe take 2 minutes to generate the blog. So first we create the content, then we structure it based on the topic you provided. Then we do Google research, get keywords, content, news, articles. Based on that, we will create a content. So that's how it works. So I so far created like 6-7 articles based on all these topics that I provided. So here you can see that we will get a HTML template for the blog here. So once the running is completed, so now it is started. Once the running is completed, we will get the and also we get the image URL here. So for now, I'm showing the previous one. So here when I paste the HTML, so yeah, this is the blog.
Nice.
Yeah, that looks good.
Where do you keep your sources?
Everything is on Google Sheet. You can just copy from here, and on your website, this is HTML format. You can simply paste it.
Is there a way where you could add like your company information at the bottom of each blog?
For sure. We want to have some linked information, and then maybe also go ahead and include the sources maybe.
If you are planning to upload all this on your website, you can create a basic template over there. And after that, you can just paste this HTML. I mean, the basic template will include, the company information, everything. Yeah, we have, other one here. So when we paste this, yeah, pretty long content. When you ask ChatGPT to write, they won't write this much. So what we are doing, we are doing Google research and everything. So that's why, we are getting pretty, lengthy content. So the current one, we are running is at the end. So once the flow is reached, we will add the data to the Google Sheet, so we can see that here.
A lot of what this is calling upon is that knowledge base I sent you as well. Like
for now, for blog generation, we are not using that. What the problem is, when we use that, it will limit the knowledge.
Yeah.
So now, we are doing Google research, Google search. For the email campaign and all, we are using the data you provided. Okay. So that is the blog part. And we also have video script generator. So, this is something simple. You can just add the topic, and after that, you can add the duration of the video that you prefer. Let's give 3. And after this, you can add any number of that you want. So I just added a topic for creating script, which is, basic roof maintenance checklist for every season. You can add, anything you want. The visuals, you need to add the kind of music. On the next version,
So what was this prompt? Was this the roof maintenance checklist?
This is, a basic prompt. So that is the, whenever you give a topic and duration, you will get a complete video script.
Yeah, and we can plug that into the avatar like we talked about, right? Like, I was messing around with this.
In the next version, we can add music. We can use avatar to, visually tell the story, everything.
Okay.
So the other one is social media automation. In social media automation, you can give a topic that you want. So I'm giving solar panels and your roof. So when I give here, I can select number of posts you want based on the particular topic. So I'm just giving 2 for now. And if you need image, you can select yes, and you can select what all posters you want, LinkedIn, X, Facebook chart. You can select any from here, and after that you can just start. And we have a for this as well. So this is the social media post. So you can add multiple topics and just let it go. So the automation started running. So I just created a couple of them based on all these topics. You can see the topics, what home inspectors look for in a roof, all these things. So we will get corresponding LinkedIn post, Instagram, X post, Facebook post, everything, including hashtags. So now the one is running, it is started. So it will be creating posters for LinkedIn. There will be 2 posters, 2 variation of posters you will get, and also image will be there. So when it comes to here, you can see the sample images that I created for other posters. So solar panel, and so this is the current one which running. So the image created, this is the image. So we have created, so this is what home inspectors looks, importance of roofing. So when we open this, we get another image.
Yeah.
When we open this, we get another image. So now, so the run is completed. For this particular topic, we got 2 type of content. So you can see that, we have 2 content.
And then there's a way to validate the images and stuff.
Yeah, you can, validate, because, so right now, we are only creating the content. So when you want to automate posting as well, we can just add a validation. So when you validate only, it will publish to,
Run the automation tool and validate whether or not you want to push it.
Yeah, like the images, because like the image might not be the best image. It might be a good image,
Yeah, that you can validate. Okay.
Yeah, and
so,
also
what you can do,
we've got a lot of images too, so like we can use those as well.
But yeah, most of the things, usually in automation, we only create content because, when we automate, the entire flow, so this is, end of the day, AI doing all these things. So sometimes, it will help. So, you can, but you can do, we can create multiple content. You can cross check, which image is good and all. From there, you can simply, post.
If we are validating it eventually over time, I don't know too much. I don't know too much about the n8n for this, but if we're validating it, is there a way to train it with like a
No, we are using OpenAI model, so there is no way to train it with so the training is there, but usually for text and all, but images we have models. The usually what I have done this for multiple clients, so they what usually do they will create multiple posters, so they will get multiple variations. And in Canva automation, what I'm doing, so I created a couple of, so these are all, the current template that you have. Mm-hmm. Okay. So what I'm doing right now, you can select, which one should be automated. So right now, I'm just automating the did you know part. That would be ideal. So we can just, add some sort of topic. Cool roof technology. Okay. So we will be getting, contents based on that. So I'm adding this, and from there, we have 3 templates. I'm selecting, did you know? And we need image. We give true and number of needed. We can just give 4 and just start. So here, we have the automation for Canva automation. So when I run, this is pretty complicated one. That took Adam a lot of days for the So when I run this, so the automation is started for Canva. So you can see that it is started. So what it do, it will create content according to, did you know template. So there will be a text, there will be an image in the background. Based on that, it will create 4 content and 4 images and just post into a Google folder. So from there, you can just download and, there is a option in Canva for bulk create. So this is, something I created yesterday. So I will show you. So this is, I'm just making a copy and I'm taking this and I'm not editing this. And we don't need this. So now we are just playing with this. And there is an option called bulk edit. Bulk edit. Here what you can do, we can, we already have a data that we created here. So when you run, with a topic, you will get the data. So you can just copy the data and give it to Canva. Okay, and give it to Canva. You don't need this column. And we need a image one. So just add image one. So I already uploaded the image. So basically you will be getting also the images in a folder. So what you can do, you can just download and upload. Here, I already uploaded, so it might be here. Yeah, it's here. So just selecting, one by one. Yeah, done. So now what I can do, just done. Now I need to replace the content with connected data with, and there is an image. This we connect with images. Then once you continue, generate 4. So you can see that, we have generated with
That looks
different
good.
Yeah, so you can see that, the image changes, the content also changes. So you can just read the content. Advance in roofing technology not only extend building life, but also enhance property value with innovative design, reduce energy cost over time. Yeah, that is, all about the content creation part. Now I can show you the email automation. For email automation also what I did, I just added everything here, instruction. For now I can tell you. So basically, what you can do, you can just add, any number of emails that you want. And I just created the template based on, Adam provided. For each one, we have a template. So whenever you want a new template, you can just edit here. Okay. So you can just add the name here and edit here, edit the template here, the HTML way. Not the text, you can just give the content to ChatGPT and ask to provide, HTML format for email. So ChatGPT will provide, the email in HTML format because we need, HTML format for automation. So any number of template you can add. So after adding, you can, so now I'm giving my emails for testing. From here, you can select which automation, which campaign you want to send for this particular email, and you can select, or you can drag, select one, you can just, drag this way. For now, we only have 2, so I'm just doing that. And, from there, you only need to click this, and there is a automation I created for this, send email. So when I click here, so this all, we can also, schedule. So you only need to add data, which will, which will be running, the workflow will be running every day. So when you add data, you will get the, results and everything, when it automatically runs. You don't need to come here. For testing, I'm just running instantly. So the emails are sent. So when you come here, when you come here, you can see that, the emails are sent and open because, I just kept the emails 1 second. Yeah, I got the email. So this is the content, the 3 a.m. client inquiry, which one you mentioned. Here also I got the one. I didn't add, any name.
Yeah.
That part, you can manage. You can just give the name, everything. And, you can get a final email, then ask ChatGPT to give the HTML format. Then, you can just paste here. So whenever you create a template, what you can do, you can just you can just see, you know, the actual image format here. Just paste the HTML template from here to here. When you paste here, you can see, you know, the email, you know, actual format. You know, we can change the name to Adam. Yeah. So you can see that, you know, the name is changing. Similarly, you know, you can change everything.
How exactly do I get to this HTML online viewer from the data?
I just added, you know, everything in the instruction.
Oh,
This is the
perfect.
link.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you want to add your, you know, booking link and all, what you can do, you can give, you know, the format and ask ChatGPT to do that. And after adding, you know, you can just check here. If you added your link, you know, you can see that, you know, how it works and all.
What we'll probably do, Mohammed, is get this set up immediately with me, Liam, and Justin, and then I've got this recording. I can do this for everybody else in my company.
Appreciate it, Mohammed. Everything looks good. Thanks, Adam.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I'll talk to you in a little bit, Liam.
All right, sounds good, bud.